My head looks a mess. But so I'm going to do a twist out on my hair, on my dry hair, obviously. So yeah, I have to comb it out. Got my big tooth comb. I got my brushes. I got my toothbrush and my edge cream. Got my product. And I got a scrunchie to hold it all up. So I'm probably gonna do my twist out a little differently. I only did this a couple of times, but I like how it always comes out, so I thought to do a video on it. But before any of that, I want you all to like this video, comment, subscribe, comment down below what you think about it and everything, and follow all my social medias, which will be in the link, which will be down below. So yeah, I already started a little bit, so let's get to it. So this is my finished product. So yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow when I take it down in the morning. But now it's time for bed, and your girl is tired. I'm tired. School is wearing me down. Luckily next week is the last week. But you know, put my bonnet on. No more locked doors. But yeah, like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, follow my social medias, which are down below. It's my Snapchat, my Instagram, and my Twitter. Share this video. I can't talk. Share this video. I forgot. Share this video. Tell your friends about me. Tell them to come subscribe and everything. And you know, like this video up. Go like the other videos and go watch them and run it up. You know, yes. Yeah. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I don't need no flight attendant. And I finally got my wings. Good morning. Well, it's afternoon now. But yeah. So gonna get to taking my hair down. I had no idea what I had to do this morning. I took my shower, brushed my teeth, put my clothes on. Don't mind this one. It all for some reason. Finished product. I'm so ready for my hair to like start growing. I want it to be like so big, but this is how it came out, you guys. I'm getting more in the light. It came out very cute to me. This is usually I don't want y'all to see my bed back though. I ain't cleaned it yet. Make it up yet. But I usually do like a dry twist out if it's like I'm doing something that day and I need something done to my hair. Cause it's like a little, and keep it in for a couple hours. So I'll do it like that morning. If I gotta go, if I'm leaving around like 5 or something like that, do it around 10 maybe that morning, and keep it in all day. And you know, take it out when it's time to go. Be ready to party. But I want y'all to like this video. I probably said it about too many times, but you know, like it, comment, subscribe, give me some of your opinions or your tips or whatever. I'm gonna put my social medias down below. I'm gonna put the products down below too, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all later. I might vlog later on, so I'll see y'all later.